Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I got a quick video here of me driving my AMG GTS trying to chase down a 991.2 GT3. I'm just coming onto the track right now, looking over my shoulder to the left, and he should be coming in right in front of me. Alright, I see him and I head out. So I'm coming out on pretty cold tires right now, but I figured I'll just give it a go anyways. We're at Arizona Motorsports Park. It's a fun track with some pretty long straightaways. You can see a little bit I'm struggling for traction right now. My tires are really on their last day here. Nevertheless, I'm still gonna push hard and see if I can stay on his tail. That GT3 comes out of the corners really well. Coming up here to a tight right-hander with a real late apex. And that GT3 just puts down the power really nicely. Coming up to the next sweeper left-hander, really late apex. I managed to gain a little bit of ground in the braking zone and stay with him through the corner. Coming out of the corner, once again, GT3 takes off. I'm right on his tail. Coming down the straightaway, I move over to the left offline just because my auto braking was kicking in. Coming up through the S's on the GT3, gets a little sideways, does a little tank slapper. He's pushing it pretty hard. And then some more drifting there, coming out of the turn. I finally get a nice point by. But overall, the GT3 is a pretty impressive car. It sounds great. This was a pretty fun lap. We had a couple of good laps prior to this. But yeah, thanks for tuning in.